My name is Shweta and just want to share the journey of graphotherapy. I really want to share my experience. I was a very different kind of person and used to carry a very different traits 30 days prior. And now what I'm a very different personality altogether. Earlier I used to think a lot. I was unhappy in my life and lot of problems which I was facing and unusual thinking was there and very short tempered person. Now completely what writing has made changed in my entire life is remove all the negative energy from my inside. And the best part is that writing can change so much of your life traits. It is like for me it is like a very tremendous and very unusual thing. And today I'm very calm, composed, and take the things into a very simplified way. And things are falling the way I want to. Earlier, when I started this therapy, there was some challenges I faced while writing in the beginning. It takes out the negative energy, so I can find out a lot of pimples on my face, and I've fallen even sick during the starting days. But gradually, when I start doing on the regular basis, so now things are on the very different level altogether. And I'm so happy to share this journey with all of you and would really recommend you to do this graphotherapy to change your life into 360 degree. And really want to thanks and give my gratitude to Rajat to change my life and given me the opportunity and believe in me as a student. Even I believe in him that he can coach me and guide me and shown the correct path. Really thankful, Rajat. Thank you so much.